Let's do a room tour.
To our room on Norwegian cruise line. I didn't think about it for a second. 7098. This is our Oceanview. Has an obstructed view with the lifeboat, but that's alright because we still get all this huge natural light, which is awesome. It actually looks like it's in great shape. It's got a little vanity over here, bed. It's got tons of mirrors, which allows even more natural light to just shine in here. Full-length body mirror. And they got lots of shelves. I like that they have wine glasses. Lots of storage. Cubbies here. Closet over here. Which even more shelves, which is just awesome. Lots of shelves. Lots of hangers too. And the bathroom is actually really clean and nice as well. And even though this is a shower curtain, it's got wires in it, so hopefully it won't cling as much as some others.
Hopefully.
We're really excited to see what adventures are in store on NCL Pride of America.